We are working our way towards the end of March. It is definitely earlier than we've ever fished. But we were kind of bored this weekend and it's really cold and there's nothing to do, so we thought we'd go and set some limb lines. So as you can see, the 3 lakes that feed into this river had a huge spike from some of the storms we've had. They're all letting out through their dams right now, and that's what's got this water so high. But once they start filling up again for summer pool, there's not going to be hardly any water in this river. So we're going to fish it just for a few days. I think it'll work out. I think we'll have a fish this weekend. I got a likely looking spot. There's several branches hanging, kind of make like a nice run down this side of the river. We just got to kind of shoot underneath here and see what the depth is right below this tree. 14, 15 feet under that branch. Oh, we're putting a line here for sure.
Like fuzzy one. Oh, these are the stickers. Oh no. We don't want that.
All right, guys, we got our high vis line. Just gonna tie, same setup we had last year. Nice big old 6/0 circle hook. Trying to just go through this as quick as possible, babe. I'm sorry. He's so patient, sitting up there holding the branch. Loop that around. Makes one of them there knots that can't be pulled out from the bottom side. You see?
That's what she said.
You got something like that. Beautiful. Now this. Whoop. Sorry. Open up your clip. Slide it into place. Get tangled up in the stuff in the bottom of the boat. Beautiful little limb line. Let's put some bait on her. Ew. Okay. Yeah, buddy. Muss, you're missing out.
Warm it up. Lower or higher?
Right where your hand's at.
Hands down.
Yep. Got this. I'm holding the branch behind him so we don't move. The current's actually pushing pretty good here.
You're not doing very well.
That was pretty painless. Well done, babe.
Thank you.
I have a feeling we're gonna have empty hooks today.
Yeah.
What? That one like tangled up on itself, but it's still got bait. That's weird.
We're pulling out. We're pulling out.
But, I mean, we still got bait. That line's still fishing anyway.
Alright.
Get more of that out there. Shoot. It is cold today, y'all. It's really hard to believe that like I've already fished at one point this year, like in my bathing suit. Selfie stick is MIA, so you guys have to put up with being like right here. Ah! The stick wanted to be right here too. Kind of thought that like at the very least we would be, you know, skunked, but have no bait left, so kind of surprised. All right, well, that line is still fishing again.
Okay.
It's not getting the depth that I want though. Like we measured out for like how much water and stuff, but with the current pushing as hard as it is, with the current pushing as hard as it is right now, you can see it's just taking several feet out of that line. So yeah, these two are side by side, and you can already see that the one on the other side has a bunch of crap hung up on it. God, that's just sitting right at the surface. That's getting no depth whatsoever. Yep, those little 2-ounce weights ain't doing jack. Big old wad of grossness. I have to have some hot tea when we get home. This weather's getting to me. But yeah, so basically, these never really had much of a chance to fish because the current was pushing the line out and basically just keeping it at the surface. So you can go ahead and let go, love, if you like. Yeah, that's holding that line down now.
Okay.
It's actually got some depth to it now. We might actually have a fighting chance.
It's beautiful.
Shoot. All right, day 3. Finally got some sunshine. Still cold, but not as bad as it was. Standing in the sun feels really nice, but as soon as the air starts moving around you, it just kind of want to turn the collar up. Kind of just drifting downriver, enjoying the quiet. I'm already looking at our limb lines. They do not look promising. We'll double back and show you guys those in a minute, but I think we're gonna run a trot line today. You didn't see them? They're staring right at us. They're watching us like, what are you guys doing? We didn't like that. Ah, there's a little one. Ah.
Oh man.
That was cool. We're gonna run upriver a little bit. This side, you kind of get some really, really nice big high rock ledges on this one side, and that tends to mean really deep water over on this side of the river. So we're gonna see if we can't sink something over here. We're gonna have to run a line all the way across, but we're gonna have a nice deep spot right in this side of the river. So we'll run up, see what we can find. Kind of show you guys what we're talking about here. So we were just down over there. The water was like maybe 13 feet deep on this side, and now we're at 19 and a half. So we're starting to get these really nice rock walls. Now over here, there's nothing. This is all farmer field. Got a lot of nice tie-off points on both sides of the river too. That's something that we struggle with a lot, is trying to find a spot where we can tie equally. That's a nice one. We got there, and we got here. Ah, there's little handprints all up and down this bank. I think this might actually be a den. I just hope that we get enough clear water this year that we can get like underwater shots of the fish on the line again. That was one of my favorite parts.
Yeah.
First proper trot line.
Ready?
Almost. That's my upper body for the day. That current grabs hold. See that triple
Current's
tree?
really strong.
That triple tree right there is where we're tied, and you can see the direction it's heading in.
We're gonna need a lot more brick.
Trying like hell to pull the boat away from the bank too.
Yeah.
There we go. See our set point? All right.
Still got bait?
Still got bait. All right, welcome back guys to day 4. We actually need to get these out because these are basically just like, all it's gonna do is like hold on to all the crap floating downriver. So we're gonna leave our trot line in, but we're gonna take all these out. They haven't caught anything, so. Today's also the warmest day we're gonna have. It's kind of nice. We've been out here in our cover sums. Today, all of a sudden, it's like, 63, 64 degrees.
That's nice.
Oh, God. good one.
Yeah, I'm trying.
All right, y'all. First official trot line run. Yep. Oh my God, is that line heavy?
Oh,
Holy crap.
A lot of leaves. You want me to do it?
There's some serious water. Oh my God. Shoot. A line this tight, you're not gonna feel a fish.
That's no bueno.
I got some bait already, I'm saying.
Hey, skunk man.
Ah! Babe! Ah!
Hello.
What? Oh my God, right by the bank, it would be.
Tucked right in the corner.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! He's angry.
Hey, how big are you?
How big are you? Hey boys, how big is he?
He's a big man.
Oh, he's a
That's
little
for sure.
feller, but he's got fight to him. You want to net him, or you want to fling him up in here?
Well, I met him. Haven't had a good netting in a while.
Ooh, he's been
I'll
fighting.
drop your phone, yeah.
That's a good little eating size. Alright, here he comes, into the boat.
Oh,
Yay!
yeah.
We're not skunked.
That's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful.
Whew, he's been fighting. Ah!
Yes.
Let's get him untangled.
Okay.
Hi, fishy. Hey, dude. We've been waiting on you these past couple of days. Oh, look at that. Yeah, he wasn't going nowhere.
Jeez.
All right, let me in there. Come on, you know you want to bite me. Well, he ain't big, but he's a fish. Got the skunk out of the boat, starting the season off right. Get the smell of a fresh fish. There he is, guys. Gonna keep this trout line right where it's at. Leave the bait where it's at.
Sure again tomorrow.
We've officially begun. Now he's biting. Yeah, buddy.
Do the next one. How about that?
You get a little bit bigger, huh?
Come back and see us again. Try that out too. He's mad.
Ah, he'll be okay. He got a free meal out of it.
Yeah.
All right, guys. We're gonna bait this line back up and see you guys in a couple of days. Heck yeah.